Now let's look at another scenario. As in the previous scenario, there is an oversubscription in this case too. Since this is a scenario where the consideration is received in lump sum, the excess amount will have to be refunded. We are also told that the allotment was made on a prorata basis. So what does this mean? And what's the significance for this entry?
Prorata simply means proportional. So let's see what this means in this problem. We know that applications were received for 10,000 debentures when the issue was only for 7,500 debentures. Obviously, all the applicants cannot be satisfied. In this case, allotment is usually made on some equitable basis. When prorata or proportional basis is adopted, as in this case, applicants for 100 debentures would be allotted 75 debentures. Applicants for 200 debentures would be allotted 150 debentures, and so on.
The company as such has to refund the whole of the excess application money it has in its custody as a result of partial prorata allotment. As in the previous scenario, there are two events and therefore two journal entries: the receipt of application money and then the refund of excess application money received. The first pretty straightforward. 10,000 debentures at rupees 135, each amounting to rupees 13,50,000. The bank account has to be debited on receipt of money, and the temporary debenture application and allotment account is credited. The company has to refund the excess application money received. 2,500 applications at rupees 135 each equals to 3,37,500. This is also the event at which time the temporary account, that is the debenture application and allotment account, is closed. This is closed by transfer of the balance lying in that account to appropriate accounts, as we will now see. 7,500 applications were allotted debentures, the face value of each being rupees 100. Therefore, 7,500 into 100 equals rupees 7,50,000. This amount is transferred to the debentures account. The premium on issue of debentures is rupees 35 for each of the 7,500 debentures allotted. Thus 35 into 7,500 equals 2,62,500. This is the capital gain on the issue of debentures and is always recorded in a special account that is called the Securities Premium Reserve Account or the SPR account. Now the credit balance that was lying in the debenture application and allotment account is cancelled by this debit entry. This debit entry itself is offset by corresponding credits to the debenture account, the Securities Premium Reserve account, and the bank account. With the closure of the temporary account, the net effect of the two entries is that all of the amounts that has been received is recorded in the bank account, and each of the distinct accounts for which it was received in the first place is credited separately, as it should be.